going to distribute it and show you guys. So let's say we distributed this. This would be x tan x secant squared x natural log of x plus x to the power of tangent x times tan x over x. Here's what I'm going to teach you. If you have x to the power of tan x divided by x, that is technically x to the power of tan x divided by x to the power of 1. Since they are the same base, x and x, you can subtract the exponents. So this would be written as x to the power of tangent x minus 1. And just don't forget this part right here, times tangent of x. Just another way to rewrite it so that you can notice it as a multiple choice answer. All right. Here's another one. Y equals all of that. That's a lot of work if you guys do not use your logarithm rules. So step 1, take the natural log of both sides. The logarithm of a fraction can be split up into subtraction. So this right here would equal the logarithm of x squared times square root of x plus 1 minus the natural log of x cubed minus 1 to the power of 4. Exponents can come down, and multiplication of logarithms can become the sum of logarithms. So this would be natural log of x squared plus the natural log of the square root of x plus 1 minus the natural log of x squared minus 1 to the 4th power. You're going to break this up further. Bring down all of your exponents. I'm going to come down here. The natural log of y is equal to 2 natural log of x plus 1/2, because the square root becomes the power of 1/2, times the natural log of x plus 1 minus 4 times the natural log of x squared minus 1. When you take the derivative of each part of this equation, you are left with 1 over y dy dx equals 2 times 1 over x plus 1/2 x plus 1 minus 4 times, or 4 times 1 over x squared minus 1, or yeah, let's write it like that, multiplied by the derivative of the inside, which is 2x. Remember, when we take the derivative of the inside here, it's just 1, so nothing shows up. Same with this x. Clean it up a little bit. dy dx equals y times 2 over x plus 1 over 2 times x plus 1 minus 8x over x squared minus 1. From there, you can make the replacement for y. You can find a common denominator, but that will be a waste of time anytime you have more than 2 terms. With 2 terms, I expect that you find a common denominator and combine. With 3 terms, you can leave it as is. If you have any questions, write them down, ask me in class. If you're watching this in class, pause the video and ask me then. Last thing I want to go over. Be careful with problems like this. The natural log's already in the problem. You are not finding the natural log of the left. So when you find the derivative of the left side, that's equal to just dy dx. It is not
1 over y dy dx.